In this video, I'm going to show you how to find rare land inside Atlas Earth. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, now there's a few different ways how we can do this. So the first way is to explore different locations. So open the Atlas Earth app and physically move or use the map to check tiles in different areas, popular cities, malls and landmarks. Now, rare tiles are more likely to appear in high traffic or iconic locations like airports where you live, stadiums, downtown areas, even famous landmarks, and also major retail stores, Walmart, Starbucks, etc. Also, keep an eye out on the colored tiles. So if you find purple or different colored tiles instead of green, that often represents they are rare, and these tiles often come with higher rent per second and are limited in number. So when browsing the map, keep an eye out for different colored tiles, especially dark purple or glowing tiles. So I don't have any currently on my location here, but if I keep moving around, I might eventually jump into one. Also, check the tiles before buying. So if I go ahead and buy land, I can go ahead and see any tiles that are a different color. So I've just checked on a tile here, and now check for rent per second. Rare tiles pay more rent, and title rarity colors, whether it's marked as premium or rare by other users. We can also go ahead and use the Atlas Earth community inside Reddit. So communities like Reddit at r/Atlas Earth and Discord often share known rare tile coordinations or coordinates. So users post screenshots or tips on where they found high paying or rare land.